Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Komal and Madhulika, for joining in. It is my deepest gratitude that you both have showed up, and it's a pleasure to have each one of you in this session here. Today, we are diving into chapter number 14 that talks about self discovery. How many of you have read the book Ikigai? Ikigai पढ़ी है किसी ने? This chapter is a little related to that. Okay, the same concept has been shared in this as well. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read it together. Chapter number 14, Self-Discovery. To find your purpose in life, you must go on a journey of self-discovery. Sometimes the warrior feels as if he were living two lives at once. There is a bridge that links what I do with what I would like to do, he thinks. Slowly, his dreams take over his everyday life, and then he realizes that he is ready for the thing he always wanted. Then all that is needed is little daring, and his two lives becomes one. How many of you feel? How many of you have actually seen कि कितने सारे in the coaching industry especially I have seen there are so many engineers coming in. इंजीनियरिंग करते करते कहीं पे जॉब कर रहे थे एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन दे डिसाइडेड नहीं भाई ये मेरा को मन नहीं कर रहा है करने का आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट एंड switch into something else, something that their heart and their soul desires for. And there are lots of such examples in the coaching industry as well. Have you seen such people around you? कुछ कर रहे थे अचानक से छोड़ छाड़ के कुछ और ही स्टार्ट कर दिया. Yes, Madhulika, please feel free to say.
Yeah, thanks, Karishma. I think, Karishma, you were doing something and then you switch your professional career at a stage. It is it will again come with a very bad experience. Something, maybe you are not blessed with a very good senior, maybe you're not blessed with the type of role, your job or something. There must be some big and biggest of the disconnect. Maybe you're not being paid enough what your dreams are. Maybe even not even dreams, maybe you are not being paid enough to meet your needs. See, everyone has
Hmm.
different background. Maybe someone
Yes.
has some medical issues, some family member or some added responsibilities, so there is always something that pushed that person to
Hmm.
leave his, because there is a big investment when you do engineering,
Yes.
right? So just saying कि वो मेरी calling नहीं थी, I don't believe that.
Dear, बड़े सारे लोग तो they keep on doing the same thing because it requires them to do so. Requires them to do so in the sense कि भाई उनके पास कोई option ही नहीं है rather than just do what they have been given with, they have been blessed with कि भैया मेरे को नौकरी मिल गई शुक्र है and then they keep on going throughout the end of their life कि हाँ मैंने कमाया मेरे घर वालों को खाना मिल गया खाने को ठीक टाइम पे रोटी कपड़ा मकान and they're done.
At times, Karishma, most of the things happens. That's what my point is. When you are
Hmm.
not able to do that job, आपके हाथ से
Hmm.
जॉब चली जाती है. मे बी आपका बॉस ठीक नहीं था, मे बी आप काम कर नहीं पा रहे थे, यू वर नॉट एबल टू मीट द एंड्स, मे बी डेड एंड्स, डेडलाइंस, मे बी आपको, यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. इट इज ऑलवेज
Yes.
कम्स विद द वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंस कि आपके हाथ से नौकरी छूट गई, अब आप क्या करोगे, कारण कोई भी हो.
हम्म.
तो वो जो
हो
नौकरी
सकता
छूटने,
है.
हाँ, वो जो नौकरी छूटने वाला पार्ट होता है वो नोबडी टेल्स कि मेरी नौकरी चली गई
हम्म.
थी. दे से आई लेफ्ट द जॉब.
That's quite possible. मैं उस जोन में नहीं रही हूँ इसलिए I don't know much about that. But yes, that is a new perspective and I do appreciate that and would like to reflect on more on it. Thanks, Madhulika, for sharing that. Chalo, let's see how does the story go ahead. Harry thanked me for the insights. Wanting to take the conversation further, he asked, what do you think is the key element needed for self improvement in competition with oneself? If there is one thing that I think is the foundation of growth, it is understanding who you are. You can only compete with yourself if you have a clear idea of your potential, your capacities, and certainly your limitations. I replied. Harry listened with great interest as I elaborated the concept further. Understanding ourselves. We have to understand ourselves to be able to compete with ourselves. What are our tendencies? What do we like? What do we not like? Where do we want to be in the future? These are only a few preliminary questions we need to answer to succeed. And this process of inquiry begins our journey to self discovery. We know by now that giving and receiving gifts can strengthen our relationships. One story about giving gifts, which I find hilarious, is about a couple on their wedding anniversary. A woman told her husband, as she wished him, I just dreamt that you gave me a beautiful diamond necklace. What do you think it means? She asked him. You will know tonight, he said with a smile on his face. Her eyes lit up in anticipation. That evening, the husband came home with the beautifully wrapped present and gave it to his wife. Could it be what I dreamt of? She thought to herself. Delighted, she opened it only to find a book entitled The Meaning of Dreams. I used to always wonder why one would put in so much effort using fancy paper, bows, and ribbons to wrap a gift. Why can we not just give the gift upfront to the person whom we want to express our love for? I came to the conclusion that if we offer a gift to someone without wrapping it, there is no element of excitement involved. Concealing a gift creates suspense, and when it is opened, there is excitement and thus greater joy. Not only does the person who receives the gift feels happy, but so does the one who gives it. In the same way, everyone has been gifted with special talents and skills. Every individual has something unique in them. If God were to reveal that talent to us straight away, from the very day we were born, there would be no excitement in our journey. God covers our talents, skills, and potentials only so that we have the chance to discover it. And in the process of doing so, in trying to figure out what we want to do with our lives, there is a tremendous sense of satisfaction. Self discovery is not a one time event but an ongoing evolution. And as life goes on, we discover how much we are capable of achieving. Have you ever played Pass the Parcel as a child? A classic of birthday parties, the game is centered around a prize wrapped up in a large number of gift wrappers. Between each layer is a wrapping, there is a smaller gift. Acha. As the music starts playing, the parcel is passed around in a group of people in anticipation for the music to stop. When it does, the person who now has the parcel in their hand removes one layer of wrapping paper and claims a small prize. The same process continues until the penultimate wrapper, when all the small prizes have gone and finally the main prize is revealed to the one who holds and unwraps the last layer. अच्छा, हमारे टाइम पे ऐसे नहीं खेलते थे। हमारे टाइम पे तो एक बॉक्स होता था, पास द पार्सल, उसके अंदर से हम एक बॉक्स खोल के एक चिट निकालते थे, उसमें पनिशमेंट होती थी, वो करते थे और खत्म हो जाता था। एंड लास्ट में जो बच्चा बचता था उसको प्राइज मिलता था। दिस इज ऑल्सो बेटर वे इन फैक्ट टू प्ले पास द पार्सल, दैट एवरीबody गेट्स अ गिफ्ट, राइट?
So this time in Toastmasters, we played Pass the Parcel. And
हम्म।
whosoever got the parcel when the music got stopped, everyone had a chit.
उसके अंदर लिखा होगा कि क्या बताना है।
Yes, no, first that person will pick up
हम्म।
another person. He is not being
हम्म।
caught in this. The twist was he will choose another person, that person will be caught, and then he will give that title,
चिट।
that topic to that person.
नाइस, आई लाइक दैट। Hmm. Now, what was this children's game got to do with understanding ourselves? We need to unwrap multiple layers before we can actually discover our true potential. The further we delve towards realizing our potential, the more layers we start to uncover. And with every layer, we come across smaller gifts that are hidden within us. We do not have to wait to experience happiness until all the layers are taken off and the large gift, our true potential, is revealed to us. The journey itself is very exciting and brings deep satisfaction. When I think about it, when I think about this, it reminds me about the story of my young friend Siraj. Blueberry cheesecake. On a surprisingly cool evening in Mumbai, I invited to a Gujarati family's home for dinner. I was invited. They had been pleading with me to come for months, and Gujarati mothers can be very persuasive. So, on their fifth invitation, I obliged. Both parents in the household were working professionals. The father was in a leading position at Standard Chartered Bank, and the mother was a professor in physiology at the medical school in the city. They were as busy as I was, but I noticed they always took time out for two things: spirituality and their son, Siraj. You can imagine the spread of delicious Gujarati items on offer. From Dhokla to Udiyu, and from Khandvi to Shrikhand, they had not spared any efforts. As I sat down, I inquired about Siraj, their son, who had just completed his 10th grade exams. He should be down in a moment, the father said. He's so excited to see you. I heard he did very well in his exams, I said. Yes, he works very hard, the mother said, as she told me his marks. At that very moment, Siraj walked into the room. He greeted me with a big hug and sat next to me at the dinner table. Your mother was telling me that you got 93% marks this year and that you did exceptionally well in mathematics and science, I said. Siraj blushed. He was humble despite his academic achievements. Thank you. I'm excited for the next year, he said energetically. What stream have you chosen for the next year? I asked Siraj's father. Siraj's father forced more dhokla on to my plate. In India, children usually choose streams of subjects depending on their marks. Typically, children with very good marks choose engineering and medicine. I expected Siraj would follow. Siraj looked at his father and looked down. I am choosing commerce, he said. The expression on his parents' faces changed. Why had he chosen commerce instead of other streams when he was capable of doing well at them? Stereotypically, commerce did not have as much scope in India as the other subjects did. That's great, I replied after a moment. I always try to encourage people's decisions and dreams. What will you do in university then? I asked. That moment, Siraj's mother brought out a blueberry cheesecake on the crystal plate. Many people do not know this, but the base of blueberry cheesecake, which is made from gram cracker crumbs, sugar, and butter has to be baked at a high temperature for 1 hour, Seraj said. Hmm. That was an odd change of subject of a 16-year-old boy, I thought. Then you have to chill it for another hour so it stays firm like it is on a plate, Saraj said. And then went on to describe the chocolate mousse that was setting in the fridge, and then shifted a savory snacks like the dhokla and khandvi on the table. When he was doing this, you should have seen the expressions of his parents' faces. Can you imagine what they must have been thinking? I want to get into a career of hospitality and catering after I finish commerce, Siraj said, after a short while. The mood in the room changed again as his parents' faces also changing. Their expressions were not what would one would expect. They were of great joy and happiness all through. All through. I know what Siraj wants to do with his life is not conventional. I told him he might want to take after his mother and that medicine might suit him better. However, he refused and kept cooking and cooking and cooking. His father said, elated. I couldn't be happier because he has found his passion in life and I get to eat delicious desserts after work. He laughed. Naturally, we were concerned that being a chef won't make him as much money, but he loves what he does and he is good at it. India is a growing country with so much scope for being an entrepreneur. His mother added while cutting me a slice of cheesecake that was clearly too big for my stomach. I am going to help him with the business side. His father said, beaming. It seems as though you have it all figured out, I said, excited by the unique future that was ahead of Siraj. I would not be surprised if this boy ended up opening a chain of five-star restaurants all over the world. On the way back to the ashram after dinner, I thought to myself that if someone chooses what they love to do, there is no stress in their life. As they say, if you do what you love, you will never have to work a day in your life. However, in reality, the majority of people are doing what they do not love to do day in and day out. अब हम लोग एज पेरेंट्स वी हैव इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट आई थिंक हमारे पेरेंट्स के टाइम पे इट वाज वेरी मैंडेटरी है कॉमर्स ले ली ओ साइंस ले ली वाह एंड ओ आर्ट्स ले ली आर्ट्स तो सबसे ही घटिया होता था आई थिंक सबसे कम नंबर जिनके आते थे वो आर्ट्स ले लेते थे बट नाउ द थिंग्स हैव शिफ्टेड my eldest daughter when she was to go after 10th she was to choose a stream वो आजकल तो वो भी जल्दी कर लेते हैं बट माय डॉटर यूज्ड टू से अगर ज्यादा होगा ना तो मैं तो आर्ट्स ही लेने वाली हूँ और माय रिएक्शन वुड बी पता है नालायक लेते हैं आर्ट्स एंड शी वुड बी लाइक नॉट एनी मोर मम्मी अभी ना स्मार्टर पीपल टेक आर्ट्स because it has much more scope and I was like हाँ ये तो है I agree with it and this and that but it is true. And it's good that parents have evolved to a level that they are actually wanting their kids to pursue their passion. Reason being, जितना सीखें उतना ही बेटर हो जाएंगे और जितना पसंद होगा टॉपिक उसके ऊपर उतना ज्यादा स्टडी भी करना चाहेंगे राइट व्हाट आर योर पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑन दिस मधुलिका एंड को यस मधुलिका you have unmuted yourself.
I think the other way around is also true.
Hmm.
If you love what you do, you will never have to work a single day in your life.
Hmm.
If you love what you do,
Yes.
right?
If you love it, yes. The catch
Yeah,
is if
if
you
you
love
do
it.
it, whatever you are doing,
Huh.
no, it is, see, over here, if you do what you love is, Okay, that you have
Hmm.
chosen something what you love, right?
Yes.
But now, if unfortunately I have landed up to a job, right?
Hmm.
So if whatever I have to do, if I start loving it, even then I don't have to, work anymore because I'm loving what I'm doing.
I don't know.
So the other
Maybe.
way around is also true. People generally crib their job,
हाँ.
this and that. And if you say, now, okay, fine, you just leave your job. I bless you
हाँ,
that
damn.
hey, you'll be sacked out. You'll be thrown out.
Nobody wants that.
Then they will, because then they will start defending themselves. मुझे क्यों निकालेंगे? मैं तो बहुत बढ़िया कर रहा हूँ. मैं तो सबसे बढ़िया कर रहा हूँ. मैंने तो ये कर दिया. मैंने तो वो कर दिया. Then they will again start, recollecting or counting what
Hmm.
they have achieved so far in that.
True.
So it is same that मानेंगे तो नहीं कि हाँ मुझे जॉब से निकाल दें. They will be saying no no नहीं 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 जॉब नहीं जानी चाहिए. बाकी कोई बात.
वेरी वेल सेड. आई मीन कोविड में कितने लोगों की जॉब गई. हर बार जब ले ऑफ्स होते हैं कितने लोगों की जाती है जॉब. एंड even if they are cribbing and crying about it, they are still happy with it. Reason being, they are getting money, and that is the need that is getting fulfilled. So many people come to me and they crib and cry about their husbands, and I ask them कि छोड़ दो ना फिर. They're like, नहीं,
इतना भी बुरा
फिर
नहीं
ये
है.
कैसे होगी, फिर ये कैसे होगा, इतना बुरा थोड़ी ना कि मैं छोड़ दूं. मैं बोलता हूँ, why are you cribbing and crying? There is some need of yours that is being fulfilled because of which you are with him.
Exactly.
And that is the same with, I think, job as well.
Yeah, it's
क्रिब
the
एंड
other
क्राई
way.
जितना मुझे. अपने
हाँ,
बच्चे को बुरा बोल लो, कोई और आके बुरा बोलेगा, मैं तो मार धाड़ के खत्म कर दूंगी. मेरे को
नहीं,
नहीं, मेरा बच्चा बुरा होगा पर इतना बुरा नहीं है. फिर हमारा ऐसा हो जाएगा, नहीं नहीं इतना बुरा नहीं है, हाँ मेरा बच्चा ना सबसे बेस्ट है, उसको ये भी आता है ये भी आता है, सब कुछ आ जाएगा. बट अपने घर में बैठ के अपने बच्चे को बेशक उतना ही बोल रहे, तुझको ये भी नहीं पता, तुझको ये भी नहीं पता करते रहो.
exactly. So it is, that's what my point is. It is the other way around also, it is true.
हम्म.
See, till 10th, each child has to study everything. Whether you like maths or not, you have to study maths. Whether
आई
you
नो.
like biology or not, you have to study that. So
हम्म.
if from the very formative years, if you start loving what you are doing, then it won't be a pain anymore.
एग्जैक्टली. तो वेरी वेल सेड.
And
But
obviously,
you need good teachers for kids to love the subjects that they are not liking. You have to make that subject more playful, more interesting.
एक्चुअली करिश्मा बच्चों के सब्जेक्ट्स फेवरेट नहीं होते बच्चों के टीचर्स ही फेवरेट होते हैं
टीचर्स फेवरेट होते हैं. ट्रू,
सब्जेक्ट
वेरी
कभी
ट्रू.
फेवरेट नहीं होता छोटे बच्चे का कि मुझे हिंदी पसंद है या मुझे नहीं उनके हमेशा
हाँ,
टीचर फेवरेट होते हैं और जो टीचर उनको अच्छा मिल जाता है वही सब्जेक्ट उनके फेवरेट हो
सब
जाते हैं
अच्छा हो जाता है. सही, बिल्कुल सही बात है. Komal, would you like to share some insights on what we are talking right now?
Yes, Karishma. My daughter, she has taken commerce this year,
Mm-hmm.
my elder one. But I think now it's not like, you force the kids to take science or, medical or non-medical, because there are many options, many career options. So gone are those days or times.
I still remember in the fifth standard or fourth standard, my daughter had a choice to choose between Sanskrit and French. And
Yes.
she told me, Mama, sign kar do. I was doing something and I signed it. And she put Sanskrit in it with her own choice. And I was like, when the books came, the book bundle came, I was like, ये संस्कृत की बुक क्या कर रही है हमारे घर में? We need French book. Where is your French book? नहीं नहीं, मैंने तो संस्कृत ही भरा था ना. I'm like, oh God, seriously? And I signed that. It's like, oh. The kids. So it's funny, but yeah, that's that.
Yeah,
And I
they-
actually feel that it's good that we have given them these choices at least.
yes. Whatever they choose, I mean, I'm with my daughters, go
Hmm.
ahead. Like my daughter is interested in dramatics. I
Hmm.
myself, I and my husband, we are from technical background. but you know,
फिर तो ये
there are
स्टोरी
different
आपके साथ
paths.
बहुत रेजोनेट करी होगी. Good.
No, but I didn't put any kind of pressure. I'm like,
Yes.
just be happy, whatever you're choosing, and
Hmm.
So
enjoy
I
that.
would like to share a story over here, huh?
Hmm.
Of my daughter's friend. He's my daughter's friend, that boy. He really loved, his father is doctor, he's in medical, and mother is in technical background.
Hmm.
And he
Hmm.
used to love drama. So
Hmm.
he went even abroad also to get this drama classes and all. और उसने ठीक ठाक लेवल पे यहाँ से एनएसडी से किया हुआ है, और स्टेज शोज वगैरह अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ में, नोन जो है उनके साथ में किए हुए हैं.
Wow.
नाउ द ट्विस्ट केम इन हिज लाइफ व्हेन he had a girlfriend. Now girlfriend's dad said कि I will not allow this relationship to nurture, because लड़के ने तो कुछ
Hmm.
ऐसा किया नहीं हुआ. Then he got admission in MBA with my daughter.
Hmm.
एंड एमबीए किया उसने. उसने मास्टर्स करने के बाद में उसने जॉब लगी उसकी. जॉब लगने के बाद में जिसका जो टैलेंट होता है, राइट, उसकी जॉब लगी, वो भी वो जॉब ही कर रहा है, अभी भी जॉब कर रहा है. बट उसने अपना एक पेज, इंस्टा इंस्टा चैनल वटेवर उसने खोला. एंड
Hmm.
उसका वो इंस्टा चैनल उसने ज्यादा दिन नहीं खोला था, सिर्फ 15 या 20 दिन ही हुए थे खोले हुए. एंड ही गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम रेडियो एफएम दैट उसकी वॉइस इतनी अच्छी है. ही हैज गॉट दैट थिएटर वॉइस, दैट हस्की, एंड ही
Hmm.
नोज विच नोट टू टच, कौन सा नोट कब दबाना है. जब डेंस बात करनी होती है तो एकदम ऐसे हेवी वॉइस करके वो बात
Hmm.
करता है, और जब ऐसे करनी होती है तो एकदम अच्छे से. तो ही गॉट अ कॉल from FM, Radio FM, that would you like to come over here? Would you dub for us? So, and if we'll use your voice, then you cannot run your platform anymore. So he's not running his platform, that Insta page. उसने वो छोड़ दिया. अभी ऑफ बीट आवर्स जो होते हैं उसमें वो वहाँ रेडियो सिटी में जाता है, एंड सून आई थिंक ही विल बी अ रेडियो जॉकी. और सैटरडे संडे को भी, बिकॉज दैट इज हिज पैशन, दैट इज ही वाज ऑलवेज मेंट टू डू. बट वो जॉब भी नहीं छोड़ेगा लेकिन अभी.
Hmm.
He
True.
knows that yes, because he is into sales and marketing, so he knows कि उसको जो स्टोरी टेलिंग और ये सब उसको आती
वहां
है
पे
कि
भी
हाँ
काम आ
मैं तो
जाता है.
धड़ाधड़ बेच तो. हाँ. No, because they know how to connect with people. This is वही कहता कि this is again a new dimension for me, that yes, I can use my theater talent in sales and marketing also. Yeah.
Very well. Very well. Nice. Good. Very good actually.
Very good. Because explore करना उसकी अलग अलग possibilities
Hmm.
is very good. And he was never a top scorer. Never a top scorer. He was even in the lowest of the scorer. Lowest marks उसके आते थे. लेकिन उसकी सबसे अच्छी प्लेसमेंट लगी. इट
वो
इज
ना.
जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज वो प्लेसमेंट सेल वालों के साथ में उसकी बहुत अच्छी बनती थी. ही नोज
हाँ.
हाउ टू मेंटेन पीआर.
हाँ.
उसके बाद जब वो प्लेसमेंट सेल पे अच्छी कंपनी ने उसको बैठने के लिए दिया, तो उसने अंदर जाके अपने आप को क्या जबरदस्त बेचा. उसने लिख के दिया था करिश्मा अपने उस पे कि अगर मैंने 1 साल में इतना नहीं किया, क्योंकि उसने ऐसा बोल दिया था अंदर कि सर मैं कर
हम्म.
दूंगा. तो जो सीनियर थे जो वहां प्लेसमेंट के लिए आए हुए थे, ही से ठीक है तू अपना रेजिग्नेशन लिख के ला.
हम्म.
एंड उसने अपना रेजिग्नेशन लिखा पहले ही 1 साल 1.5 साल बाद की डेट डाल के, फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग से 1 साल बाद की डेट डाल के कि आप सर डेट अपने आप डाल लेना, और ये मेरा रेजिग्नेशन आज ही आपके पास है 1 साल बाद की डेट के साथ में. एंड दिस इज हाउ ही गॉट प्लेसमेंट.
Wow. Wow.
दैट इज द मैजिक ऑफ थिएटर.
Wow. There is a lot that comes along with theater, na?
Yeah,
क्योंकि
थिएटर
there
में
is
आपकी तो पर्सनालिटी तो खुल ही
confidence
जाती है
in
ना,
everything. Yes. Yes.
आपकी पर्सनालिटी खुल ही जाती, यू नो हाउ टू आस्क, यू नो हाउ टू कनेक्ट। हम लोग मांगी तो नहीं पाते, हम बोली तो नहीं पाते। That is why we don't get promotions, we don't get, salary hike and everything, because we don't know how to ask, how to get connected with people. तो थिएटर का उसने क्या सही यूज किया। कॉलेज में जिस दिन सोचो प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, उसको अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर ऐसे मिल रहा है और रेजिग्नेशन वो ऐसे दे रहा है, वन हैंड एक्सचेंज।
Wow, wonderful. What a good example. Chalo, let's understand Ikigai. Just like Seraj, we all need to find purpose in our life, which has been linked with longer and happier lives. There are many psychological models that aids us on our path of living fulfilling lives. One of which is the Japanese concept of Ikigai. Ikigai has no direct English translation, but it is understood to mean a reason to live and having purpose in life. It comes from Japan, the country with the highest number of the most elderly people in the world. The island of Okinawa has an average male life expectancy of 78 and an average female life expectancy of 68. According to Akihiro Hasegawa, a clinical psychologist of Toyo University, the word kai originates from the word kai, which translates as shell. He says that in Heian period 794 to 1185, shells were considered extremely valuable. Therefore, kai now means to have value in living. According to this concept, to find purpose in life, you have to answer 4 questions, just as Siraj and his family did subconsciously. And what are these 4 questions? I would love for you to as well, go through it. What do you love? What are you good at? What does the world need? And what can you get paid for? ये 4 questions के answers दे दोगे तो there is a lot that you will find about yourself and you will get your purpose in life. हमको क्या अच्छा लगता है, किस चीज में मैं अच्छी हूँ, दुनिया को मेरे से क्या चाहिए, वो चीज हेल्पफुल होगी दुनिया के लिए, and will the people pay for that service? If you can get there, you have a purpose, start living it, because that is a lot of value giving out to the world. And what you earn is exactly in proportion to the value that you give to the world. That value you can give only if you're living your purpose. Okay, it should be, it should create some excitement in your life. Finding balance between the 4 areas may be the route to having a life that one looks forward to living. Not everybody's purpose will appear to have an impact on the course of the world at first. It could be something as simple as Siraj's rose. However, not everyone is as young as Siraj. Harry laughed as we were edging closer to more familiar parts of Mumbai. We had just passed some expensive designer shops. If you have a lifestyle that is linked to wearing such expensive clothes, Harry pointed to the display in the window, then it is hard to change your existing career and do what you love. At one point, I wanted to work with nature as a conservationist to protect the environment, but that would not pay me well, he confessed. Just like, Madhurika was sharing in the beginning. You do not need to give up everything and make dramatic changes to start living your purpose. Your purpose does not necessarily mean your job either, I replied. So then, what do? I do not have any children yet, so I know that I can make time, Harry added. You have to act on 2 things. The first is love what you have to do. What all have to pay bills? We all have to pay bills, maintain our lifestyle, and work in the jobs we are already in. For most people, this work that we may not be passionate about is around 80% of our lives. Therefore, we might as well start loving it. Which part of your job do you love? Focus on those parts. I suppose I like working with other colleagues in client projects. Yes, he said. Then try and focus on that, I said. The second thing is make time in life for what you love to do. Start adding conversations and the environment into your life. Explore India over weekends. Research which forests or areas need help and how best you can help. I said passionately. I did not know much about helping the environment, but he understood my point. We tend to waste our time off working by doing mundane things that bring us no satisfaction. Window shopping, eating out at the same places, and so on. There is a whole world out there to explore, and many people who feel the same way. We have to take a calculated risk to start adding what we truly love to do, our ikigai, into our lives. Maybe one day, what we love to do and what pays the bill can be the same if we really work on ourselves. This reminds me of, how Mudalika, you were sharing that things can get sorted if we start loving what we are already doing. And yes, we can find something that we love, at least in whatever we are doing, unless and until it is your own passion. For example, when I have to do the coaching calls or coaching का कुछ काम करना होता है, तो it still I have to move myself. I have to get into the uncomfortable zone. But when I have to host this book reading sessions, I'm like the most comfortable. I don't have to prepare for it. I don't have to do much. I'm just very happy. It's simple. It's easy. It's fun for me. It does not look. It doesn't seem like work to me. Having said that, there are so many friends of mine who say कि यार दिन में दो दो बार शो अप करना, हाय राम, अपने आप को तो जैसे ट्यूशन सेंटर खोल रखा है, बार बार खड़ी हो जाती है तो जाके I'm like, oh अच्छा, हाँ ये भी पार्ट है. Oh, I did not realize that. I never thought about it. जब जब तक लोगों को चेस करना होता है, सेल्स पार्ट इज नॉट माय थिंग. आई एम लाइक, अब फिर कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा and this and that. But then once I have somebody in the circle, then I have to talk to them one on one and solve their problems or be with them on their path. Then it again becomes very easy journey for me. So there are parts that you love and there are parts that you will not love. So you have to start loving them as well. Otherwise, there are times when you will not be able to do. So I would have loved, having multiple people in this room. It would have added so much more value. It would have added so much more perspectives into this room. But अगर वो मैं 5 दिन अकेला वो free session नहीं run करूंगी, तो how will we have people in here? Like Komal chose to be here in this room. Thanks to her. Yeah. But yes, that is what it is. Before we read out on the summary, would you like to share anything?
I think I already shared this later part earlier.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
never knew this
Yes.
is what's coming up.
You are aligned with it, 100%. Synchronicity में काम चल रहा है आपका. Yes, Komal, would you like to share something?
Yes, Karishma, it's completely a new perspective that, something you don't love entirely, but you can love parts of it. So sometimes, some tasks, they get a little boring. So, look for the parts that you enjoy. it will be easy to save through it.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a whole new perspective. Never thought it that way.
हम्म वही है ना, हस्बैंड को छोड़ना है, नहीं नहीं मेरा पति को मैं ऐसे कैसे छोड़ दूं, इतना अच्छा है, उसकी वजह से देखो आई एम एंजॉयिंग सो मच लग्जरी, एंड जिस दिन लड़ाई हो जाए, नहीं मैं नहीं मैं नहीं मैं नहीं और कोई कह दे चल डाइवोर्स दे दे, नहीं नहीं भाई इतना बुरा नहीं है so it's with everything.
Yeah,
There
right.
is some part of everything that we love, and that is why we are doing it, that is why we are into it, right?
Mm.
Let's understand what is the summary. We should understand ourselves to know what is meaningful to us and what we want to devote our time to. This can be done by understanding our purpose, which takes dedication and patience. और today only I have shared in my Transforming Lives with Karishma में आप दोनों हो ना, आज ही मैंने एक वहां पर पोस्ट शेयर किया था, wherein I have shared that we have 164 hours in a week. ऐसे कुछ बताया था मैंने. Let me share that. हाँ, we have 168 hours per week. 40 hours at work, 7 at gym, 56 hours sleeping. उसके बाद भी हमारे पास 65 hours are left. तो there is Elon Musk की पोस्टर बना हुआ है ये, and he says stop wasting, start doing. हमारे पास 65 hours फिर भी रहते हैं, but we waste it in the mundane task like scrolling the social media, going, वो विंडो शॉपिंग अभी बता रहा था ना, ये गोपाल दास की बुक में ही बता रहे थे, विंडो शॉपिंग जाते हैं, गप्पे मारते हैं, एक दूसरे की चुगलियां करते हैं and I don't know what all. We have a lot of time. In 1 week 65 hours, just imagine, उसमें से 20 घंटे भी हम काम कर लें तो बहुत सारा कुछ हो सकता है हमारी लाइफ में. Discovering our purpose is exciting, just as opening a gift gives the feeling of anticipation and joy. Reaching our purpose in life is a journey, not an event. The Japanese have a model called Ikigai and a reason to live, which is composed of 4 traits we need to understand. What do we love? What are we good at? What does the world need? And what can we be paid for? Siraj and his family discovered that for him early on in his life. If we are older and have not yet figured out our purpose, we can follow the principle. Love what we have to do and do what we love to do. चलो, हमारा जिस तो पहले ही, मतलब चैप्टर स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही मधुलिका ने बता दिया था, बट या ओके, गॉट इट. There is a complete Ikigai activity worksheet given at the end of the book. I think Madhulika, you have the book, right? Komal, do you have the book?
Soft copy, Karishma, not hard copy.
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है. I'll share that in the group. ठीक है. And before we go from here, there is one thing that I would love for you to do. हम लोग अपनी लाइफ बहुत सारी जी चुके हैं, हमने सारी वो समझ ली है कि क्या क्या समरी है ऑफ दिस बुक. आई वांट यू टू थिंक ऑन दीज 4 क्वेश्चंस. क्या पता कुछ और नया ही निकल के आ जाए. I would love for you to write a letter to yourself. Write a letter to yourself, which can go like, dear me, I see now that behind everything I have been chasing, what I have really been searching for is blah blah blah. तो ये मैं आपको ना इसके अंदर लिख के देती हूँ, चैट में लिख के देती हूँ. And see for yourself कि what comes out. Don't use logic to it. Just sit with this sentence and see what comes out for you. And it is a very deep activity. I have done it with one of my mentors in his room. and I felt very happy and light after doing it. So let's see what comes out, and I would love for you to share it in the group as well कि आप लोगों के लिए क्या आता है, and I'll also sit with it again because मैंने 4-5 साल पहले ही करा था ये, 4 नहीं, sorry, 2 years back, yes, 2023 में मैंने किया था January. तो देखो आप लोगों के लिए क्या निकलता है, and that's it from my end tonight. If you have anything to share, please feel free to unmute yourself and share. Else we will wrap up the session. All right. So tomorrow at 10 p.m. we shall be diving into chapter number 15, that is decoding spirituality at work. जब ये टॉपिक मैं पढ़ती हूँ ना तो मेरे दिमाग में ये आता है, मेरी मम्मी मुझको हमेशा एक बात बोलती है, जो भी काम कर रहे हो उसको सेवा समझ के करोगे तो काम बहुत अच्छा होगा। उसके अंदर फिर आपको ना समय का पता चलेगा, ना आपको थकान की महसूस होगी, कुछ भी महसूस नहीं होगा। And I go by that rule as well. Whatever I do, whenever I'm sitting, after this session, I have a one-on-one call as well with one of my, this person whom I'm catering. तो जब तक वो सेवा भाव से निकलेगा तब तक वो आपको सर्व भी करेगा, आप भी उसके थ्रू ग्रो करोगे, और you will give your 100%. You will give all that you have in your heart to that person, or whatever, wherever, whichever space you are working. And if you see it as a negotiation, it becomes a little difficult, I think so. Let's see what does Gaur Gopal Das has to say. Tomorrow we'll dive in. Right. All right. Madhulika की smile कहाँ है? Thank you. God bless you and have a good night and take care of yourself and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Take care.